This is a product review of the Condor XC 007 Master Series key cutting machine. What we're going to do here today, we're just going to show this machine cutting a key for a 2007 Vauxhall Vectra. Here's the customer's original key, just a non-remote key, and they want a remote key cutting. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how to use the machine. It's all touchscreen based program. It's got an inbuilt key database up here. So what we want to do, we want to copy a key. So we select the make. It's classed as Opal, even though it's Vauxhall on this machine. And it's a Vectra. So 2007, so it's 2002 onwards, this one. Right, so this is the key blade, and what we need to do, we need to firstly put in the original key to create the copy of the key. It tells you here, use fixture to X2 in position A. So fixture X2 is this one. There's other fixtures that come with this tool. So, and position A is this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pause the video while I put this key in place and then continue the video. Right, so that's all in place now. It's in position A. And you can see this image here, the second block being, that's the first, that's the second. So it comes with this little block you can slide in and just check that that lines up with the front of the key. So we know that's in the right position. On the touchscreen you want to press key learn. Now this probe will come down, it comes down and it measures itself by touching that side, touching the top, measuring the thickness of the blade, and also then it will go down and get the key where the end of the blade is, and then get the key number. Touch on all them, the key cuts. It's all done automatically. That will then reveal from question marks what the key number is, which is this cut here. So the next step is to take this blade out, put this new blade in the same position, and cut the key. So I'm just going to pause the video again while I change the keys over. As you can see, that's now in position. So the end of the key is in position 2, not in position 1. It's in the correct jaw, X2, in position A. This being A, that being B, and this being C. So as you can see, the blade isn't cut at the moment, so we're going to press start cut, which is this one down here. This is now going to measure where the jaw is to check it's in the correct position. It's also going to measure the thickness of the blade, and then it's going to measure where the end point is to make sure it's in the correct position. Then it'll start the cut.